Hello and welcome to the Sewing Studio. Today I'm going to talk to you about fabric postcards. And these are great little projects for using up all your little bits and pieces, scrap bits of fabric, tiny bits of Bondaweb. They're quick and easy to do. It's great if you just want to do a small project, ideal to give to a quilty friend. So I'm going to show you how easy they are to make. And then when I've done that, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about these ones here. So the first thing you need is a piece of fabric. So the group that I run, we say it has to be 6 inches by 4 inches. So I've already got a piece of fabric here. So this one is going to be Christmas trees. So I've got a piece of background fabric here, which measures 4 inches by 6 inches. I've already bonded some very simple triangle shapes on them. And I'm now just going to put the stumps of the tree. So I've drawn some little squares and rectangles onto my Bondaweb, which I'm now going to press onto the back of a scrap of brown fabric. I'm going to cut this out. So the group that I run with Postcards, we meet once a month and we have a theme and we take it in turns to choose the theme. And every month it's just one word and we make a postcard connected to that one word. So this one would have been tree. So it can be what you want. It doesn't have to be a Christmas tree. It can be any type of tree. So they're a little bit fiddly because they're such tiny bits, but that's what I love about this. You can use up your tiniest scraps. So I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's the smallest scrap of fabric you're prepared to throw away? Maybe you're like me and you don't throw any away. So once you've got your pattern appliqued onto here, you could just run around the edge with free motion or a little blanket stitch just to hold it securely. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take another piece of Bondaweb and you're going to attach this to the back of your background fabric. So I've made sure it's just fractionally smaller because I don't want to get any Bondaweb on my ironing board. And then I'm going to bond this onto a piece of pelmet Vilene. So this is really hard Vilene. And the good thing is you can write on this as well. So I'm just going to break the back of my Bondaweb. And now I'm going to place this onto my piece of pelmet Vilene. So the next thing I do now is I just zigzag around the edge to hold that on and also to decorate. So if I show you this one here, you can see this beautiful variegated thread has been used to zigzag just to finish it off. So that would be the next thing. And then finally, I'm just going to find my pen. Finally, I'm going to put my lines on it so it's like a postcard. Put my lines to write the address. And I'm going to write on here, Happy Christmas, love, Katrina. I can pop your address on it and I can even put it in the post to you. So I'm just going to show you the other postcards, and I'm going to tell you what the themes were for that month. So that was the word we were given for the month. So this one, a clean house is a sign of a broken sewing machine. The theme was motto. This one was love. This one was transport. This one was abstract. This one was nature. Autumn, ocean. This one I think is so clever. Flower. So did it mean a flower or did it mean a bag of flour? So we've got a cornflower growing out of a bag of flour. So that was given to me by a friend of mine called Chris, because we swap these cards as well once we've made them. This one was denim. This one was, this one was lockdown. So the rainbow and we'll meet again. And this one was Cornish icon. So lots of ideas there, really quick and easy to do. So I hope I've inspired you. As always, have fun, and I look forward to seeing you next time here in the sewing studio.